Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to build a job recommender system with this data set from Kaggle. It's only one data frame. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so import pandas as NP, numpy as NP, pandas as PD. Okay, read the data, and then as you can see, there's the job description to the job title. We're going to return the job title. Okay. Now let's look at the head of the job description. As you can see, it gives a description. TDI of vectorizer, stop words equals English. DF1 job description equals GF1 job description. Drop this. Transform job description. Linear kernel equals TDIF matrix. TDIF matrix. Okay, index equals DF1 job title. Drop duplicates. Okay, and here's where we're going to get to it. The cosine similarity equals the cosine similarity. Title, indices. And then we're going to return job title. Now right here, we're going to return 15. Feel free to change that if you want. But it's got to be 1 dash, subtract 1 from whatever you want. Reverse always equals true. The sorted skim scores. Enumerate the cosine similarity. Tech indices, and then don't forget that ILOC. Don't ever put LOC. Trust me. Now, let's look at the products. Cloud Architect with Azure. As you can see, it returns some Cloud Architect jobs. And a lot of words with architect in it. The lead DevOps engineer. Automation engineer. And this one was a little off. I mean, Java web developers, they may do some DevOps practices, but they're no DevOps engineers in production. Okay, web designer, web developer. Yeah, these are all pretty much web designer, web developer jobs. Senior Python developer. That's the thing with a Python developer. You do work with databases a lot. You do. And then you do some UI. Although mostly they work with Django as a back end, JavaScript as a front end. They do all kinds of stuff. Okay, machine learning data scientist. In this data set, they should have had more machine learning engineer roles. They should have had more flat out data scientist roles. Instead, I found this. And this data set was a while back before AI and ML really got much bigger than it is now. When you look at your job boards, you'll see a lot of them that say entry level and mid level and senior level, and lead, and so on and so on. Data scientist, machine learning engineer. Although a lot of data scientists are doing machine learning engineer roles, they just have the title as a data scientist because they end up doing full production. Okay, and then the data engineer. Yeah, they should have had more data engineering roles in here. Instead, technical support specialist. As you can see, the cloud architect, cloud engineer, cloud. It goes by keywords. This is a content-based recommender system. Of course, there's methods to improve this if you want. I mean, you don't have to use linear kernel. You can use other ones as well. Feel free to go off and do your own. Just remember to do this formula, the job description, and the job title. The job title is what you're trying to return. Feel free to implement your own methods to improve it if you want. See you guys next time. Next time we're going to deploy on Render Cloud. Then we're going to take a break again. Thank you.